Hello, so this screen recording is going to just take you through the basic steps of creating hyperlinks to your buttons in your PowerPoint. So this PowerPoint is all about an interactive multimedia experience that the user can navigate through individually. They don't need a presenter to move through it. So it works in an awful lot similar way to that of a website. And websites have hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are those buttons that we're able to click on that take us from one page to another page. Now, as you can see here, this is the outline of my basic presentation. It's an International School of Monaco school prospectus for our coming year. And in my navigation bar area, I have 5 pages: a curriculum page, sports page, staff, ECAs and canteen. And those pages are here as you see. So the idea being that when the user is live in the presentation, they can select wherever they want to go, and from that page they will be able to navigate back to the home and then select where they want to go next, rather than watching it in a linear presentation way, which is the traditional method used for PowerPoint. So to do this, we're going to make hyperlinks. As you can see, I've created some buttons. Now these are just simply auto shapes that I have inserted using various shape options here, and I have created my buttons from that. You may have gone in and created action buttons for forward or backwards or home, but I've just used basic shapes and then labelled those shapes. So let's look at linking them up now. Now, in order to make a hyperlink, first things first, I want to highlight and select what I want to make a hyperlink of. You see, I have a shape and I have text in that shape. So if I want to make both the text and the shape the hyperlink, I need to make sure that I've got the text highlighted and the shape selected. Otherwise, just the shape will become the link and the text itself will not. So I would like to have the text and the shape highlighted, like so. And then I'm going to go to Insert. Now I can see here that I'm trying to make this a link to the staff page, which is here. The staff page is slide number 5 in my option. So I'm going to go to Insert, and down at the very bottom of the Insert menu I have Hyperlink. This is the menu that opens up. Now yours will probably be defaulted to the first option as web page. This is because many hyperlinks are external. So if you want an external link from your website that can take you to another website, you can put the URL or the address of that website up here with the website page selected. But we're now hyperlinking this button to one of the other pages in the document. So I want to select the document options here, and I want to locate where it's going to be sent to. So my locate here, I'm not going to send it simply to previous or next slide, I'm going to send it to a specific slide. So I want to use the little drop down arrow here next to slide titles. And this one is the staff slide, so it's going to go to slide 5, which is there. And I select OK. And now I press OK. And I get this dark blue hyperlink like I have here for curriculum and sports. And again, I can go into staff and I can do exactly the same thing to link this button to take me back home again. So I highlight the box. I also highlight the text within the box, insert, hyperlink, make sure I've got document selected, locate the place in the document, choose the option, and in this case it's going to be going back to the navigation menu, which is slide 2. Okay, and done. Now, one of the things that you might notice is that the traditional colour for hyperlinks is this dark blue colour, and then once they've been followed or once you've used the hyperlink, they turn purple. There is a way in PowerPoint to change the default colour of hyperlinks in order to make it fit in with your house style that you've designed for your interactive multimedia presentation. So if I was to highlight my hyperlink here, what I want to do in order to change the colour of it is to go into the Themes option and to go to the different colour schemes here. So under the theme options, I'm looking for colours, and I want to scroll down to where it says Create Theme Colours. Now in here, it tells me what my default colour schemes are for my design. And these are the different default colour schemes, and it's always the same for the hyperlink and the followed hyperlink. This dark blue for hyperlink and a purple for the followed hyperlink. So if I want to change that, I need to simply select the option for hyperlink, change the colour here. I'm going to set this to an orange shade, which is going to be a little bit more reminiscent. Oh, maybe that's not appropriate because I've just realised my button is orange. So instead, let's go with a nice red colour, something that's going to stand out quite brightly against my background button. I might have to have a think about that because I'm not sure it really goes with the colour scheme of the rest of my page, but that's fine. I can have a play with something, and you need to design something that fits with your presentation anyway. So then once I've finished that, I simply press OK here, and my hyperlink option has changed. And again, the followed hyperlink, that's the colour that the hyperlink turns after you've used it. The default is dark purple, but if you want to change it, you can do here. And then I can apply to all. And what that does is it then automatically changes the colours of the hyperlinks on that page based upon the default of the colour scheme. So that's how you create hyperlinks and how you change their colour.